Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best preschool toys is probably one of the most crucial investments a parent or educator can make, as these carefully selected items are not just playthings but powerful tools designed to foster cognitive development, enhance motor skills, and spark creativity in young minds during their formative years, laying a solid foundation for future learning and exploration. Number 5. Gamenote Classroom Magnetic Alphabet Letters Kit. Introducing the Gamenote Classroom Magnetic Alphabet Letters Kit, designed for young learners. It's perfect for preschool and kindergarten. This kit features 234 letters in 8 bright colors, making learning ABCs exciting and visually stimulating for children. With ample uppercase and lowercase letters, it covers all spelling needs for common words and sentences, aiding phonics development. The included double-sided magnetic board is perfect for letter placement and even drawing, offering endless interactive possibilities. Crafted from soft-touch EVA foam with full-cover magnets, these letters are safe, washable, and easy for little hands to grip. This versatile kit is ideal for parents and teachers, supporting learning at home, in preschool, or elementary school. What we like? This set offers a vast collection of letters and a versatile writing board. It's perfect for small groups and provides a tactile, washable learning experience. If you are looking for a comprehensive set for group activities and easy cleanup, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The toys are made of durable, non-toxic materials, ensuring safety for young children. The set includes a variety of educational toys that promote cognitive development and fine motor skills. The bright colors and engaging designs capture children's attention and encourage imaginative play. Number 4. SpringFlower See and Spell Matching Letter Toy. Introducing the SpringFlower See and Spell Matching Letter Toy, a fun and educational way for children to learn. This set includes double-sided letter flashcards with CVC words and sturdy wooden alphabet blocks, perfect for little hands. It helps develop sight reading, spelling, fine motor skills, and color recognition, making learning an exciting adventure. Encourage your child to discover common sight words. Learning through play builds their confidence and pride in accomplishment. Spend meaningful quality time with your children, assembling words and enjoying plays that aid in their brain development. This puzzle set is an exceptional gift for children aged 3 to 6, offering engaging, screen-free fun for various educational settings. What we like? This toy combines sturdy wooden letters with informative flashcards for a well-rounded learning experience. It's designed to boost vocabulary, spelling, and fine motor skills. If you want a toy that encourages independent learning and builds confidence through accomplishment, this is a great option. What people say. This toy is great for developing fine motor skills. The colors are bright and engaging for young children. It's durable and has held up well to frequent use. Number 3. Carson Dellosa Scissor Skills Activity Book. Unlock your child's potential with our engaging Scissor Skills Activity Book. Designed for little hands, it makes learning fun and creative. Explore a world of vibrant animals through exciting cut and paste activities. This book transforms learning shapes and lines into an exciting adventure. Watch as your child develops crucial fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination. These activities are perfect for building confidence and dexterity. Keep them motivated with a special incentive chart and fun stickers. Celebrate every milestone as they master new skills. Ideal for preschoolers and early learners, this book provides hours of educational entertainment. It's a wonderful way to prepare them for kindergarten. Spark creativity and imagination with hands-on crafting projects. It's more than just an activity book, it's a gateway to artistic expression. What we like? This activity book focuses on developing essential scissor skills through fun, engaging cut and paste activities. It includes colorful animals and shapes to keep young children entertained. If your child needs to practice fine motor control and hand-eye coordination for cutting, this book is ideal. What people say. The toys are durable and have held up well to constant use by preschoolers. The variety of toys included is excellent, offering a wide range of developmental activities. The colors are bright and engaging, which captures the children's attention effectively. Number 2. Melissa and Doug Schooltime Classroom Play Set. Step into a fun-filled classroom experience. With this play set, you can choose to be the teacher or the student, bringing school lessons to life. This set includes a teacher's desk and a student's desk, creating an immersive classroom environment. It comes with over 150 reusable stickers, pattern blocks, a bell, a timer, and more to make learning exciting. Unleash creativity with 2 double-sided boards and dry erase markers for endless drawing and writing. The included lesson plan guide and storybook offer even more ways to engage. When playtime is over, all the pieces conveniently store inside the box. This makes it perfect for taking the fun and learning with you anywhere. Ideal for children aged 4 to 8, this gift encourages hands-on, screen-free play. It's a wonderful way to foster imagination and learning through interactive activities. Crafted with FSC-certified materials, this toy supports responsible forestry. It's made from 80% paper and 20% plastic, ensuring a durable and eco-conscious play experience. What we like. This playset allows children to simulate a classroom environment, taking on the roles of teacher or student. It comes with numerous accessories for interactive learning. If you're looking for a toy that encourages imaginative play and offers screen-free educational fun, this classroom set is perfect. What people say. The toys are durable and have held up well to constant use by toddlers. The variety of activities keeps the children engaged and promotes different developmental skills. The bright colors and different textures of the toys are very appealing to young children. Number 1. Migargle Wooden Building Block Set. This smart gift is perfect for your 3-year-old. It helps them practice independence and keeps them busy while you handle other tasks. They'll love stacking these blocks. With multiple shapes, this set inspires shape and number recognition. It helps develop imagination and motor skills, all packed in a beautiful box for easy storage. Crafted from high-quality, BPA-free wood and painted with non-toxic colors, these blocks are sanded smooth for safety. They are easy to grasp and perfect for building various structures. This simple toy encourages hand-eye coordination and attention span. It also promotes cooperation and communication as children build together. Each wooden toy has unique natural markings, like variations in grain or color. These are signs of quality, not defects, making every toy special. An ideal gift for birthdays or parties for boys and girls aged 3 to 5. They can enjoy playing with it at home or during outdoor activities. What we like. Crafted from natural wood with a city building theme, these blocks are designed for safe and engaging play. They help develop hand-eye coordination, attention span, and communication skills. If you want a durable, eco-friendly toy that encourages creativity and cooperative play, this set is a fantastic choice. What people say. The toys are durable and have held up well to frequent use by young children. The variety of toys included in the set is excellent, offering a wide range of developmental activities for preschoolers. The design of the toys is engaging and colorful, which captures the attention of young learners and encourages imaginative play. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.